Hello everyone, it's Adam here. The boats are out, motorcycles are out, sports cars are out, and the damn black fly biting things are all over the place. But quick video because the damn flies are gonna start eating me soon. On the front we still have the TKC80. It's been on for just under 3,000 miles now. You know, you see some edging here, edging there, some cracks there. This is not long for the world. We've been there 2,000 miles out of this at most. The rear though was completely spent. The TKC80 rear. I'll put something here or in the description below of how long the rear lasted. It wouldn't have passed state inspection for safety, and he passed me anyway because he understands how knobbies work. The guy that I work with does a ton of dual sports because we are in New Hampshire, so he understands that knobbies, you know, the 3/32 rule doesn't really apply to knobbies. But so he passed me anyway for the state inspection, but he did say to take care of it pretty soon, and I did. I gave it another 300 or 400 miles, and then I nixed him. And I'm going to Boston tomorrow, and I'm going down over to Lowell, Maine to go camping on Saturday. So I'm doing 500 miles, 600 miles this weekend. So the TKC80 wouldn't have lasted any longer. So these are the Anakee Wilds. You can see the tread there. You've got kind of a sloping-ness to the tread. It's less, the blocks aren't as large as the TKC80. The blocks are much smaller, but they have, they're curved and they kind of lead away from the dirt, in my opinion. If you look at it from this angle, they kind of dig away, which I find kind of interesting. I actually looked at the direction of the tire before I put it back on the bike because I wasn't quite sure if the direction was correct, and it was. So this is the correct direction for these, which I guess makes sense if you look at the way this slopes in. So it actually is just fine. So we'll see how long they last. I run 36, 42 PSI. I don't air down off-road. I don't air up for 2-up. I keep it just like it is, and I'm happy with that. So no issues so far. My off-roading isn't that, I'm not that skilled, so I don't benefit by airing down the tires. And when BMW wheels cost like $1,800 a piece before you lace them, before you put in the hub or anything, it's just best to not worry about that. So yeah, quick video, but the Anakee Wilds are on. I'll include some thoughts on what I think of them after this weekend's ride with the guys, and maybe some clips from that ride too if appropriate. But these damn, look at these fuckers. You see these guys? You see these or not? They're all over the place. These damn flies, I hate them. All right, well, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go scrub these tires in a little bit. I'm not wearing proper gear though, so scrubbing will be very gentle scrubbing. But yeah, wish me luck. Thanks for watching. Anakee Wilds are on. TKC80s are slowly coming off. After this rear is spent, I'll replace the front and the rear with the Pirelli Scorpion Rally STRs. Those are the next tires for me. Thanks for watching.